What impact does technology have on the Fourth and the First Amendments?
So I think the Carpenter case explains that once upon a time, if a piece of information of yours ended up in the hands of a third party and the government got a third party, that really wasn't any effect on your privacy. But now when all of our data is in the hands of a business, a third party, and the government obtains all your data, all your emails, all your texts, all your information, your financial transactions, your whole life is in the hands of a data company, and the government gets that, your privacy is very well affected. And that's the importance, I think, of the Carpenter decision, is that it recognizes that change in understanding of our understandings of privacy. And I think going forward, that's going to be a critical issue. One of the cases I did write an opinion in, GPS surveillance and putting a GPS tracker on your car, and I wrote an opinion in the D.C. Circuit where I recognized that putting a GPS tracker on your car was an invasion, a new technology was an invasion of your property, and therefore was something that violated the Fourth Amendment. So, and was something that the Supreme Court then, an opinion by Justice Scalia, adopted that approach to recognizing the GPS surveillance. But I think going forward, as I've said, these are backward-looking hearings sometimes, but the forward-looking question you ask is, I think, a very important one about the change in Fourth Amendment, not doctrine, but the change in technology that in turn requires us to understand it as we apply Fourth Amendment doctrine going forward, and First Amendment free speech principles as well. Our conception of speech will have to take account of the technological developments as well.
Just one last